Hey, what's up guys? I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. I am speed. You're too slow.
We know who you are already, Sonic.
Sorry, I just like striking my ego sometimes, like, Sonic the Hedgehog, speed is my game, announcing it to the world.
Give me a break. Tails, don't buy into his crap.
Sonic, you're so awesome! I want to be like you when I grow up, buddy. Good. Be like me when you grow up, buddy. Can I have a hug? No. Aww.
Sonic, I love when you tell me what your name is. It's so sexy.
Okay, Amy, there.
I like this.
Ugh.
Oh, not you too, Amy.
Sonic is so dreamy.
Hey guys, did you hear? The trailer for our new game just came out.
What do you mean, our game, knucklehead? I meant, what didn't you mean by our game, knucklehead?
So guys, why don't we all watch our trailer right now?
Yay!
Hey, Sonic, let's go and watch the trailer together.
Oh, hell no!
Aw. Oh, Sonic, come back.
I'm gonna go look for the TV remote.
Aw. What a nice guy. Such a gentleman. He loves me.
What am I supposed to be looking for? Yeah, TV remote that I said I would go get myself, Alright, Sonic, so, which one is a remote? I don't know what that thing is, what the hell is that? The banana... Popcorn!
So Sonic, you're back.
Yeah, I'm here. Ready to watch the trailer.
Do you even have the remote?
Hey Knuckles, I got the thing you asked for.
Sonic? That is not a TV remote.
Looks like a TV remote to me. You're so funny, Sonic.
My hero.
Please guys, don't encourage this. This does not need to be encouraged.
Hey, I think this is a remote, and we'll try it out.
Who's ready to watch that trailer, guys? Because I finally got the real TV remote.
I'm ready to.
Yes, Sonic. This is a TV remote.
Hey, I thought I was pretty close.
How are you even close? Oh well. Time to watch it.
Face the fire.
What the hell?
Yo, they call me Sonic, 'cause I'm faster than sound. I keep on jumping around. Blue Hedgehog Sonic, with incredible speed, I'm moving my feet.
That was terrible.
I go in for you, Knuckles. Here I come, rougher than the rest of them, the best of them, tougher than leather.
You just stole my song.
Bars.
Smash the ice.
Ow, 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 ow.
Amy, what the hell are you doing?
It's okay, Knuckles. The trailer told me to do it.
Ow, ow, ow.
Stop!
For epic battles.
I, Dr. Ivo Robotnik, have finally gotten the 7 Chaos Emeralds, so now I can defeat Sonic the Hedgehog.
Not if we flatten you first, Eggman.
You stink, Eggman.
No way! I can't believe this!
Exploration.
And here we are, everyone, the most majestic room in this house. I present to you all the toilet. I have butter on my hand. Here we are. The toilet.
Sonic, I have to take a poop.
Nobody cares, Tails. Ugh. Ugh.
Racing.
Hey Sonic, let's have a race to see who's the fastest.
Sure, Knucklehead. I'll do your silly little race.
Okay, Sonic. On your mark, get set, go! I'm pretty sure I'm gonna beat Sonic.
See you later, Knucklehead.
And destruction. Sonic Boom, Fire and Ice. Get fired up. Pre-order the launch edition now, coming September 2016.
That dress they put me in was so tacky.
Since when did I do steroids?
At least we know one thing for sure.
And what's that, Sonic?
Sonic Boom sucks.
Yeah, what he said.
Guys, did you see the trailer for our new game? It looks pretty awesome.
Yes!